Level 2, 240-volt electric vehicle, EV, charging station charges any EV up to 9x faster than a normal wall outlet, with flexible amperage settings up to 50 amps, 16, 24, 32 40ths, 48 50ths amp, and plug-in or hardwired installation. Use the ChargePoint app to pick the right amperage for your home after installation. Works with all electric cars, tested on leading EV models, Chevrolet Volt and Bolt EV, Hyundai Kona and Ioniq, Kia Niro, Nissan LEAF, Tesla models, Toyota Prius Prime, BMW i3, Honda Clarity, Chrysler Pacifica, Jaguar I-PACE, and many more. Charge faster and smarter with the ChargePoint app. Set a schedule to only charge when electricity is cheapest, set reminders so you never forget to plug in, use Alexa voice control, and see all your ChargePoint charging data in one place. Safe and reliable, with a 3-year backed by 24/7 customer support from a company dedicated to EV charging for 10+ years. All listed for electrical safety, ENERGY STAR certified for efficiency. Easy for any electrician to install indoors or out. Plug-in installation with NEMA 6-50 or 14-50 outlet, 6-50 currently selected, requires circuits rated 40A or 50A. For other circuit ratings, including 60A 80A for 48A 50A charging, the plug is easily removed for hardwired installation. Select the amperage that works best for you and your home, helping to avoid electrical upgrades. Top reviews from the United States. Great charger. The charger works great and the longer cord is very convenient. My only drawback was the cost, which was significantly more, $250, than when I ordered the same model through my electric company. Unfortunately, they were out of stock, so I had to search the internet elsewhere.